So for everybody watching, now, Alice, you've come to some of my classes too, so I appreciate that. But for everybody watching, one of the things that obviously I do quite a bit is grow with Google and teaching people how to create business profiles. So right here, we're showing your current map, your current region, which is great. And obviously we've got
A lot.
we're missing a lot.
Yeah.
So it sounds like this is something where what I would want to see on this, because you have so much potential, is adding all those photos up, and then you can actually add those products up as well. So those products that we're showcasing can be added here on Google My Business, so that if someone's looking for an organic whole wheat flour or roasted almonds or whatever, you have a chance of showing up right here. The other thing that you can do, because this right here is a blank canvas, so it's whatever you want to put into it, and again, time, of course, but you can create posts where you're broadcasting and talking about the different products. You can have those, so once a week you're highlighting a different product and linking to it. And it's just giving you the ability to send people back to the site. If you upload the products into Google My Business, you have a link to each of those pages. So if someone's really interested and they show intent by clicking on it, you have a better chance of them actually joining and either joining your mailing list or buying. And the posts as well, you can link. So you can link to a category page and or a blog post or anything. So again, limitless, world's your oyster. I would take, if you can, take 30 minutes and try to optimize this. There's a video that I created on YouTube that I can send you as well, where you can just kind of put a little TLC into it and you'll get more out of it right away.